In plain English, this video explains what to do when your rental needs repairs and who pays for them. It clears up common myths about landlord responsibility, security deposits, and notice timelines without legal jargon. Viewers will learn the simple steps: report in writing, document damage, set a repair timeline, and keep records for later. The video also covers what counts as habitability and when you might consider mediation or small claims if repairs aren't made. By the end, renters gain clarity and confidence to protect their home rights.